Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Guru. So here we are back again with another exciting stock tip for today, and the stock we have in focus today is Aurobindo Pharma. So Aurobindo Pharma, as all of you know, is a great pharmaceutical company in India with operations for last several years and has been a leading pharmaceutical company. So the stock has actually moved up from its 200-day moving average in last few days, and it has made higher top and higher bottom price formation in the chart in last few days. So the technical indicators looks pretty good, so you can really initiate position between the range of 884 to 895 for a short-term target of close to 970, which is almost 9% up from here, and you can have a stop loss at 849. So considering Aurobindo Pharma is a decent pharmaceutical company with pretty good fundamentals, you should definitely give it a look. But let's go into the Yahoo Finance portal and find out how the fundamentals really look for this stock. Alright, so let me take over you to the Yahoo Finance portal. The Yahoo Finance portal for Aurobindo Pharma. So as you can see, Aurobindo Pharma has been moving up and down today. But if you look at a 5-day chart, it's almost pretty flat, and 1 month chart also has been pretty flat. But if you look at a 6 month chart, it has moved up and has gone down. So this is for the 6 months period. In terms of a yearly chart, as you can see, it has moved up from a low of 460 in March or April last year to go up to 885. So which is pretty decent move in the last 1 year, primarily because of COVID, and also it has really been a beneficiary of the COVID pandemic. And if you look at the PE ratio, it's almost 9.64, which is pretty awesome. Like for a company of this size, 519 billion rupees, PE ratio of 9.64 is pretty good. And if you look at the other stats, one more stat I missed here is the dividend yield, which is 0.45%. Not great, but yeah, it's a dividend paying company nonetheless, which is also a good factor to consider. So as you can see, the market cap is almost 519 billion rupees. It has a profit margin of 21.59%, which is awesome for a pharmaceutical company. Operating margin is 17.74%, which is also pretty good. Revenue of 249 billion rupees, which is pretty awesome. And if you look at the quarterly growth, it's almost growing 8% year on year. In terms of the total cash in the balance sheet, it is almost 35 billion rupees in the balance sheet. In terms of the overall debt, it's 52.11 billion rupees, and all other parameters looks pretty good. So definitely a good stock to consider in your portfolio. And if you're looking to have even a short term or a medium term gain also, there is very little risk and very good upside that is expected on this stock in the near term. So definitely consider buying this stock. And if you like this stock and if you like our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit a bell icon so that you get notifications every time we post a new video. Alright, so thanks a lot for watching. Have a good rest of the day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.